What's going on, y'all? Chuck Dunface. Got a new one in. Got it in our trade. A Medford Slim Midi. So it is in the Marauder pattern, but it is shortened. So it's kind of the same size as the Mini Marauder, but it's a lot thinner. So it's really pocket friendly. So if you're kind of if you're looking at Medfords and you kind of like the designs and you're saying to yourself, yeah, I wish it was a little thinner, this is one you should definitely look at. It's definitely more of an EDC friendly, in the traditional sense, type of pocket knife. So yeah, I got this one in a trade. Guy on Instagram. I traded him my SOCOM Elite for this. He really wanted the SOCOM, and he offered me. He made me a couple offers, and I was like, I'm not so sure. But he offered me this, and I was like, I like a Slim Midi. I haven't had a Slim Midi in a while. It's been featured on the channel a couple times, but not for a couple years, I think. I had a Monkey Edge frag pattern in S35, and I had a DLT exclusive in S90V, both of which were Tantos, by the way. I just think Medford does an awesome Tanto. This one is in S35VN, as denoted by the S, and it's also a little bit older, made in 2001, and it's had some stuff done to it. Looks like it's been orange peeled. I don't know if that'll come out in video. I think it will. It's been lightly orange peeled and re-anode, and the body screws are all replacements. They are replacements from Medford because it looks like one of the screws stripped out, and so previous owner wanted to kind of get the screws at least to kind of match. Now the pivot screw is the standard stainless or brushed or whatever you want to call it, and then the other screws are heat anodized. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you are a returning viewer, please subscribe to the channel because that definitely helps out a lot. All those subscriptions, they mean a lot for the algorithm, and it lets YouTube know that people are interested in the content that I'm putting out. So I may do a breakdown video of this one because I do have a set of skiff bearings that I could put on that I got from one of my older Slim Midis. So I may put those on. I did a video on that. If you go back, you'd have to go back probably at least a year in my videos. Maybe it's in a how-to. Maybe I'm not exactly sure what it is. And I think I did a video on that one, doing the breakdown in the bearing swap to skiffs. So I might do another video like that. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, I figured it'd be cool to kind of check this one out. Like I say, it's been a while since I've had a Slim Midi, and it was a pretty good trade. I think the trade was, honestly, I think it was in my favor, and the person I traded with knew it was kind of in my favor as well, from a value standpoint. But he really wanted that SOCOM, and so he was like, "I'll do a straight trade for the Slim Midi if you want it." And this one, I mean, really, it's got no issues. I mean, it has had some work done to it, and it had the screw, the hardware replacement. So I don't know with the orange peel finish, I don't know if that would be a void warranty or a warranty voider. It might, but I mean, it's solid. I mean, this thing is in great shape overall. It really is. So I'm pretty happy to have one again, and it's gonna be, if I decide to sell it, spoiler alert, I probably will next couple of weeks or so. I just kind of wanted to check one out again. Should be pretty easy to move. I'll be able to sell it for below value, and still kind of cover what I got the SOCOM for. So keep your eyes open for that on Instagram or Blade Forums. I'll probably have this one up in a couple of weeks. But I figured I'd get one again because I think they're pretty cool, and I haven't had one in a little bit. So I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up. Got all the stuff for it too. Just don't have the original box, but I've got the, they don't do them in these cases anymore. They're doing them in zipper pouches, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah, I've got he sent along all the stuff that came with it. The receipt from Medford, saying that the hardware was ordered, the sticker and the patch, and also, the original screws. I haven't really looked them over closely. None of them looked stripped, but I'll take his word for it. And then, of course, the born on date. So yeah, it's July 7th, 2021, according to the COA. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Quick video. Just wanted to kind of feature this pretty cool Slim Midi. These are nice little knives. I don't think I'm going to do a review. I think I've already done one for the channel, but always good to kind of get something fresh out there. Might touch up the edge too. The edge is good. The edge is sharp, but could be even out a little bit on the tip. So we'll see. I'll probably put it on the KME and sharpen it up a little bit too, so it'll be good and sharp when I eventually decide to move this one along. So yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Subscribe to the channel, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know if you want to see that video of me doing the bearing swap. I mean, I figure I'll just do it again, but you know, let me know if that's just going to be repetitive, because I think like I say, I think I did one before. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I did it before. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that video, and I'll go ahead and definitely shoot that. But yeah, that's going to do it. Share the video out there with a friend. Drop a comment, like the video, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. Peace.